In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever hidden a chat to clean up your Teams workspace and then struggled to bring it back, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick and reliable way to locate those hidden conversations using the search feature in Teams. We'll move slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your web browser. Once Teams is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see several icons such as Activity, Chat, Teams, and Calendar. Go ahead and click on the chat icon. This will take you to your main chat area where you usually see your recent one-on-one and group conversations. Now that you're in the chat section, we're going to use the search bar to find the hidden chat. At the very top of the Teams window, you should see a search box that runs horizontally across the top. This is where you can search for messages, people, and files across Teams. Click once inside that search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Next, start typing information related to the chat you're trying to find. The most reliable way is to type the name of the person or people in the chat. For example, if you previously had a conversation with a colleague and hid it, just type their name into the search bar. As you type, Teams will automatically start showing you suggestions and results below the search area. You might see a section labeled People or Messages, and under those, you should see the chat you're looking for. Even if the chat has been hidden from your main chat list, it will still appear in these search results. When you see the correct conversation in the list, simply click on it. Teams will open that chat in the main window, and from here you can continue the conversation as normal. If you'd like that chat to stay visible again in your chat list, just keep using it. Recent messages will move it back up to the top of your chats, making it easy to find next time without searching. And that's all there is to it. Click on chat, click in the search bar, type in the chat details, and open